Hello, welcome. This is December Doodles with Catherine. Today we're going to be drawing 4-pointed stars. You can draw lines, right? And you can draw smiles? Well, then you can definitely draw these 4-pointed stars. There are actually lots of different ways to draw stars. Can you draw a little plus sign, an add sign like you have in sums in maths? That's it. Can you draw lots of teeny tiny ones? So these are some of the quickest, easiest ways to get a really nice full night sky. Okay, let's make some of our stars a bit brighter. All you need to do is draw a little smile between each of the points. Make sure it's all nice and pointy and joins up nice and smoothly and colour it in. That's starting to make it look really realistic. Some of your stars are looking far away and some of them are looking a bit closer. Let's draw a really super duper special star. Just make its lowest point longer. There we are. Done. Ta-da! I wonder what you'll do with them. I'm sure you've got lots of ideas. I hope you enjoyed drawing those. Keep your pictures safe so you can come back to them later in December Doodles. See you tomorrow.